So today's date is, what is today's day? Yeah, today's date is 15. One minute, children. 15/9/2020. 15/9. Yes. Sorry, children. Okay, today's date is 15/9/2020. Okay, 9/2020 is today's date, and the 9 tells us which month we are in. So we are in which month? September. 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 Okay, September. Okay, today's day. What is today's day? Yesterday it was Monday. Monday, and today is Tuesday. 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 Okay, so now let's move on to the next. Character education. Yes. Why character is important, children? It shows who we are. It shows who we are and how do we act with others. Okay, who we are and how do we act with others. So this week, character education for the week, we are going to see about friendship. We all love friendship, isn't it? We are all friends, right? We love friendship. Yes or no? Yes, we all love friends. Fine. So now let's see what are the ways to build a friendship. Okay. So first we'll see what is the meaning for friends. Forgive you, respect you, involve you, encourage you, need you, deserve you, support you. Okay? Friends means forgive you, forgiving, respect, involve, encourage, need you, deserve you, and support you. Okay? Yes. So now, yes, build a friend. How do we build a friend? So let's see how do we build a friend. Thinks before they speak. Thinks before they speak. Thinks before they speak. Smiles and makes me laugh. Smiles and makes me laugh. Uses kind words. Uses hands to help, not hurt. Very important point. Uses hands to help, not hurt. Shares with me. me. Yeah. Trust to stand by my side. Trust to stand by my side. Trust to stand by my side. Okay. Makes good choices. Makes good choices. Looks at me when we are talking. Looks at me when we are talking. Slide has not changed. Kiran ma'am, can you please stop sharing it? I'll just share 1 minute, parents. Kiran ma'am, can you check? Parents, any one of you, can you please unmute and tell me whether the screen is visible? Anyone?
Visible, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Visible. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. Thank you so much. Yes. 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 Now let's again start from the first. So this week, this week's virtue for the week is friendship. Okay, friendship. So we'll see how to build a friend. How to build a friend. So here we have some few points. So thinks before they speak. Thinks before they speak. Smiles and makes me laugh. Smiles and makes me laugh. Uses kind words. Uses kind words. Uses hands to help. Uses hands to help. Not hurt. Shares with me. Shares with me. Trust to stand by my side. Trust to be a stand by my side. Makes good choices. Makes good choices. Looks at me when we are talking. Looks at me when we are talking. Listens to me when I talk. Listens to me when I talk. Has a caring heart. Has a caring heart. Forgives me when I make mistakes. Forgives me when I make mistakes. Likes similar things that I do. Likes similar things that I do. Okay, so these are the points for building a friend. Building a friend. Okay, yes, let's go to the next. Yes. So now let's see who is a good friend. A good friend is someone. A good friend is someone who offers to help. Who offers to help. Supports you. Supports you. Okay, supports you. Then accepts everyone. Accepts everyone. Shows respect. Shows respect. Listens to you. Okay, a good friend is someone who listens to you. A good friend is someone who cares. Cares. Is someone who forgives. Kana, someone is mute. I want everybody to mute. I'm getting an echo. Kindly mute. Who's that? Mute Kana. Kindly check who's in unmute. Yes. A good friend is someone who shares. A good friend is someone who shares. A good friend is someone who smiles. Okay. A good friend is someone who smiles. So children, I want everybody to have a good smile on your face. So it shows that you are a good friend. Okay. It shows that you are a good friend. Have a smile on your face. Yes. Very good. Very good, children. Fine. So a good friend is someone like you. So you all have your smile on your face, right? A good friend is someone like you. Very sweet of you, children. Okay, so today what we are going to have, we are going to revise. We are going to have a revision from the lesson 3, 4, 5. Okay, we are going to revise lesson 3, 4, 5. We are going to revise dictation words, give one word for and opposites from the lesson 3, 4 and 5. So let's start up with the first lesson. Lesson number 3, first day at school. First day at school. Yes, Kiran, my ma'am.
Yes, Jaya ma'am, thank you. Yes. So children, let's have a revision for the lessons. Lesson number 3, first day at school. Lesson number 4, little plant. And lesson number 5, Kalu the farmer. So here we have dictation words from lesson number 3, first day at school. So listen very carefully. We'll have a very quick revision. Yes, children. The first word, school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Second one, learn. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. Third one, eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R. Eraser. Fourth one, sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. Fifth one, face. Face. F-A-C-E. Face. F-A-C-E. Face. Sixth one, smile. S-M-I-L-E. Smile.
Smile.
Yes. Seventh one, friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. Number 8, teacher. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Number 9, kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. Number 10, better. B-E-T-T-E-R. Better. So we'll move to our next topic. Yeah, here we have opposites from lesson number 3. So let's revise the opposites. First one, pick. Pick. Opposite for pick is drop. D-R-O-P. Drop. Pick. Drop. Second one, buy. Opposite for buy is sell. S-E-L-L. Sell. Buy, sell. Third one, new. New. Opposite from new is old. O-L-D. Old. O-L-D. Old. New, old. Number 4, start. Start. Opposite for start is stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Stop.
Spelling.
Yes. Yes. Our next topic. Give one word for. Give one word for. Number 1, very big. Very big. So what is the answer for very big? Huge. H-U-G-E. Huge. Very big, huge. Number 2, to say. To say. To say means recite. Recite. R-E-C-I-T-E. Recite. To say, recite. Number 3, playfulness. Playfulness. Playfulness means fun. F-U-N. Fun. F-U-N. Fun. Very big, huge. To say, recite. Playfulness, fun. Yeah. We have declared number 1.
Ma'am, kindness,
Speed. Introduction, what?
ma'am.
Kinder. Kinder. You want kind? Kinder. You want kind? K-I-N-D. K-I-N-D. Kind.
Yandy.
I-N-D. Kind. Unmute your mic, Shavina. Unmute your mic, Shavina.
Wait, ma'am. I put dress and come. Wait. Wait a minute, ma'am. Wait a second. I put dress and ready and come.
Okay. So number 2. Hard. It's a comb. Sridhar sir, can you please mute?
Peter sir, kindly mute sir.
It's a
Hi
comb.
children. Who is an unmute? Okay. Carry on with the next one.
Number 2. Heart. H-E-A-R-T. Number 5. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Ma'am, yes, I understand the recording.
K-I-N-D. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I think nobody is there with her. Is it fine now?
What is spelling, ma'am? Don't know. Not
Yes, children. O-U-T. Yes, I. E-E. Outside.
Outside.
Who's that?
Outside, ma'am.
Sharvina.
Outside, ma'am.
Sharvina, I want you to mute self.
Okay, ma'am. You mute, ma'am.
But I'm hearing your voice.
Okay.
கண்ணா யார் பக்கத்துல இருக்காங்க? I think now it's good. Fine. Thank you, Tina. Thank you so much, Kanna. Fine. Yes. The next word we have here, the fifth word, light. L-I-G-H-T. L-I-G-H-T. Light. The sixth word, V-O-I-C-E. V-O-I-C-E. Voice. The seventh word, wonderful. W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L. Wonderful. Eighth word, W-O-R-L-D. W-O-R-L-D. World. Okay? Yes. We'll move on to the next, children. So next we have the opposites from the lesson, little plants. Okay, the first one, tiny. What is the first word? Tiny. Opposite for tiny, large. L-A-R-G-E, large. Okay. The second word, fast. The opposite for fast is slow. S-L-O-W, slow. The third word we have asleep. So the opposite for asleep, awake. A-W-A-K-E, awake. So tiny, large, fast, slow, asleep, awake. Okay? Yes. So now let's move on to the next. Give one word for. From the lesson, little plant. The first one, lying deep inside. Lying deep inside. One word, buried. B-U-R-I-E-D. B-U-R-I-E-D. Buried. Then the second word, crawling slowly on the ground. Crawling slowly on the ground. What is that one word? Creep. C-R-E-E-P. Creep. Okay. So lying deep inside, buried, crawling slowly on the ground, creep. Okay. Yes, children. So we are done with little plant. Now let's move on to the lesson 5. Kalu the farmer. Kalu the farmer. Yes, Kiran, my ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, Jayalakshmi, ma'am. Yeah. So let's revise dictation words from lesson number 5, Kalu the farmer. Yeah. The first word, farmer. Farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Second one, village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. village. Third one, land, L-A-N-D, land, L-A-N-D, land. Number 4, earrings, earrings, E-A-R-R-I-N-G-S, earrings. Number 5, wife, W-I-F-E, wife, W-I-F-E, wife. Number 6, next, next, N-E-X-T, next. Number 7, tears, tears, T-E-A-R-S, tears, T-E-A-R-S, tears. Number 8, wedding, wedding, W-E-D-D-I-N-G, wedding. So let's move to opposites. First one, long. Opposite for long is short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Long, short. Second one, warm. Warm. Opposite for warm is cool. C-O-O-L. Cool. C-O-O-L. Cool. Warm, cool. Third one, fall. Fall. Opposite for fall is rise. R-I-S-E. Rise. R-I-S-E. Rise. Let's move to give one word for from lesson number 5. Yeah. First question, one who lives nearby your house. One who lives nearby your house. The answer in one word is neighbor. Neighbor. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R. Neighbor. One who lives nearby your house. Neighbor. Second one, heavy rain. Heavy rain means pour. P-O-U-R. Pour. P-O-U-R. Pour. Third one, payback. Payback. Payback means repay. R-E-P-A-Y. Repay. R-E-P-A-Y. Pay. Repay. Payback, repay. Yes. So now we'll move to our next topic. Yeah. Here we have the revision of rearrange the words to make meaningful sentences. Rearrange the words to make it meaningful sentences. Yes, here we have some words given in a jumbled format. Given in a jumbled format. So we are going to rearrange it to make it a meaningful sentence. Hope you all remember this. We had this in our previous classes. Worksheet also has been sent to you. Kindly go through all those. Yes, children? Nikhil, you're typing something. Why you're touching the screen unnecessarily? Do not do this, children. Listen to the class. You're all good children, right? Yeah. The first one, a fruit mango is. A fruit mango is. Does it making any sense, children? Is there any meaning to this? No. So let's rearrange it to make it a meaningful sentence. Mango is a fruit. Mango is a fruit. So when you are starting the sentence, you should start with the capital letter. See, mango, here we have started with a capital letter. Yes, mango is a fruit. So when we end a sentence, we have to keep a dot. The dot is called full stop. We say it as full stop. Mango is a fruit. Second one is your what name? Is your what name? Does it making any sense, children? No, isn't it? So let's rearrange it. What is your name? See again. What? W should be in capital letter. What is your name? What is a question word here? So when we have a question word in the sentence, we have to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Question mark. There is a symbol at the end of the sentence. Can you see that? That's called question mark. Yeah. What is your name? Start with the capital letter. End with a full stop, or if it is a question word, we have to put a question mark. Yes. The third sentence, like I ice cream. Like I ice cream. What is it like I ice cream? I like ice cream. Yes, I like ice cream. I should be in capital. And then keep a full stop at the end of the sentence. I like ice cream. So can you make the difference? Like I ice cream, I like ice cream. Can you make the difference, children, between both these things? Yeah. Number 4. Reading is he. Reading is he. H should be in capital. Yes. He is reading. Keep a full stop. He is reading. These are the examples, children. You may get sentences like this. So keep practicing and get ready for your exams. Yes, children.
So moving to the next, let me give some instructions for your exams. So from 17th, your exam starts. Okay, from 17th, exam starts. Evening 4 o'clock, we will be posting the question papers in the respective exam cells. Okay, so it starts with English, Maths, or English, Tamil, and on 19th, that is on Saturday, we will be posting. Maths, Hindi, and computer science. Okay, you can take time till 29th of September. You can take time till 29th of September and repost it to the Google Classroom. Okay, repost it in Google Classroom in the respective exam cells. Okay, if it is English, you should post it only in English, and if it is Tamil, you should post it only into the Tamil Google Classroom. Okay, write only your answers. Write only your answers in a very, very neat handwriting, and the files should not be in a single individual paper. Keep it as a bundle. So go use PDF-O. You can save it in a file, then you can post it. Okay, children. So this is for you as well as your parents. Okay, now let's move on to the next. We have some worksheet practice here. So let me tell you how your exam will be, how the questions, how questions you'll get, So 1 minute. Let me share the question sample question paper with you, children, and I'll show you.
white sheet la எழுதணுமா இல்ல 4 lines note எழுதணுமா?
Yes, you have to write in a notebook. Please
can't hear properly.
maintain a separate notebook, new notebook for exams, for all the exams, okay? And for assessment 2, assessment 3,
Not audible, ma'am.
Om Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Om Jai Gurudev.
given
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am.
after
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
It's speaking, ma'am.
question. This is a sample one. So question is first is here. The next one. Am I audible? No, I couldn't hear anybody's voice. Oh my God. Move to another place.
And I'll continue, ma'am.
Now I can hear.
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Audible.
Yes. Yes, children. So first Roman letter is your listening skill. Okay, the first Roman letter is your listening skill, and the second Roman letter is your dictation words. Okay, children, dictation words. The first word is F-A-C-E, face. Second word S-E-E-D, seed. Third word F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. And fourth word sing, S-I-N-G, sing. Okay, this is your second Roman letter. What is the third Roman letter? Write the opposites for. Okay, see, for opposites also they have given a help box. So using this help box, you are going to write the opposites. Okay, so let's just check. The first one, pick. So what is the opposite for pick? Drop, isn't it? Pick, drop. Fast, slow. Just now we revised, isn't it? Slow. Warm, cool. Buy, sell. Okay, see, I do not have space. I do not have, I'm not writing it here now, but I want everybody to write the answers. You have to write the answers, okay? Okay, children? Yes. So we are done with the third Roman letter. Now let's move on to the fourth Roman letter. What is the fourth Roman letter we have? We have rearranged the words to make meaningful sentences. To make meaningful sentences. Family, I love my. Family, I love my. So what is the correct sentence? Have they given the sentence correctly, ma'am? Have they given any meaningful sentence in the chat? So let me write it as I love my family. I love my family. Okay, that is the correct sentence. I love my family. What is the next word? Next sentence? Others treat with respect. Others treat with respect. Others treat with respect. Okay, children. Now it's like 9:58. We'll stop with this. Okay, next class we'll start from the Roman letter 4. Do not hurry. Do not hurry, buddy. Okay, we'll stop with the 3 Roman letters. So first will be your listening skill, second will be your dictation words, third will be your opposites. Okay, children. From fourth, next class we will revise. Okay, do not worry. From fourth Roman letter we will revise from the next class. Okay, because it's time up now. Hope you all enjoy the class with lots of disturbance. Yeah. Okay, Jai Gurudev. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Jai Gurudev.
Bye, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
Bye, children. Jai Gurudev.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, friends.
Please. Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, Kanna. Bye.
I think this here yeah. Yes, children.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I'm not less than.
you can write
Bye, ma'am.
one more